Sit. Good. Want some peanut butter? Mmm. Look at his cone of shame. Cone of shame eating peanut butter. Okay, now we'll go for yogurt. He likes peanut butter and yogurt. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This way. This way. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Look at his face. I'm gonna have to clean his cone. Oh, look that way. Snowy. Snowy. Look this way. Look this way. Yeah. There we go. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Good boy. He's trying to lick his cone. He can't get to it. Okay, I think we're done, right? Wait. Look at it on his nose. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, that's mean. Good boy.